What's up guys, welcome to another video, and this time we're going to show you how to install the Go Fast Bits manual boost controller on the R33 RB25 single turbo motor. Let's get it going. So this here is the Go Fast Bits manual boost controller. The things that you'll need, of course, is not just some proper tools, but just your needle nose, and you'll need a zip tie, some zip ties, and also a plug for a certain tube. So this is what we're gonna do. The Go Fast Bits boost controller is gonna go right here in between these two lines. This line right here is gonna disappear. This line here is gonna get plugged with either a rubber seal, a plug or whatever, and you're gonna zip tie this, and this is gonna go and disappear as well. We won't need this part anymore, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and show you step by step on how to remove all this stuff here. This needs to come out already, ready? And there it is. So there's your manual boost controller. This thing here, there's arrows here. I'll show you here in a second. There's arrows here that shows you which direction you need to put this thing so you can adjust it properly, and we'll show you that right now. So there's that little arrow. That's gonna go pretty much like that down this way, and that's how you want to install it. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to put this all together, and we'll go from there.
But still, we're gonna take that off because we don't need it. So in the video,
unclip that.
This piece?
Yeah, unclip that, and this piece will wiggle out. Got it? Sweet. And here, go ahead and pull on that side. You pull the hose. Pull the hose out. Okay guys, so this is the section that you want to remove. So you want to put pretty much this piece here. If you need to, just remove this vacuum line so you get a little bit more leverage to pull this piece out. And then all you have to do is just clamp this piece right here, the Go Fast Bits end right here, and then you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and install that in there and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so what we did is we took a little screw. You need to get a zip tie and make sure that zip ties in, and then we're gonna tuck that probably to just this line somewhere. But yeah, so we're gonna go and do that here, and then we'll show you once everything is connected.
Anyhow, so then I know to adjust the boost to make more or less. He rotated.
Counterclockwise is more, less is right.
Less is this way.
So if you guys want to
counterclockwise is more. Yeah, this is. If you
guys want more boost, turn this left. Lefty loosey, more boosty. Righty tighty, less boosty.
So
boosty,
in other words,
boosty.
Counterclockwise, more boost. Clockwise, less boost.
Less boost. Let's go get this thing to 8 pounds, 8 or 9 pounds, and let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna go for a ride here. The manual boost controller set. Currently these things stock come 7 pounds. I've been running about 6, and I've gotten to 7 maybe a few times. That's just because in Arizona it's like 110 degrees. So that's why we're gonna do this test at night, is because it's really cold right now. What is it, probably like 80, 85? It feels like 85 right now.
Maybe a little warmer, but
probably like 87. So this is gonna be the best time to test this thing. So we're gonna start it up right now and see if anything goes wrong. Ready?
Nope.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Priming.
And the motor didn't blow. We must have done something right. Yeah, it's -19, so yeah, it's like in vacuum, which is good.
So right now we're sitting at -19. Okay, so we did our first test. We did a pull in 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and it's staying at 6 and 7, which is the max boost for these things stock. So we're gonna do 8 to 9 pounds on this, just because for my car at least, I need to get it serviced with a new timing belt and a new pulley and everything. So we're just gonna do 8 and go from there. So we're only gonna do a half a turn and see where that takes us. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So remember, counterclockwise, more boosty, so that's loosey. Tidy is less boost. So yeah, all right, we'll see where this test goes. All right, y'all, ultimate test here. We're gonna do a pull from second gear, getting onto the freeway. Here we go. 8 pounds. 8 pounds. Pulling at 8. We're at 8 pounds. Woo! Well, we were at 8 pounds. But yeah. Alright, guys. You know what to do. Hit this like. You know what to do. Subscribe right here where my driver's thingy is. Right? And then check out the previous video right here. Good night, because we're going to sleep. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. I'll see you guys on the next video.